In today's video, we're going to take a look at a trade setup and a trigger. And I'm going to start by showing you the daily chart in NVDA. Note that the last setup on the daily chart was right over here. We ended up having support at the coincidence of a 786 retracement of that low to high swing, and then just a 1618 extension of this low to high swing. Okay, so that hit, it held, it triggered, but we still have higher targets. You have a target up at 596. And then you also have higher targets off of this prior swing, which come in at the 621.95 to 624.58, where you also have the second target of this swing. Okay, so that daily chart still looks good. So what do you want to focus on? Well, you want to set up the pullback. So this is an example that happened just this morning. This was a test of key support in NVIDIA on the 30-minute chart. It came from running a projection, a 100% projection of another swing that came in at 555.89. There was a 786 retracement of another swing, and then we also had a 618 retracement of another swing. So the setup zone was this 552.96 to 555.89 area. It tested the zone, it held the zone. So then you want to go down to a lower time frame chart to look for a trigger. Trigger is basically the price action that you need to see to consider placing a bet against a particular zone. Notice that so far you've had a rally of 25.60 so far from this support, and then here's what the trigger looks like. Now you can use either the let's get rid of this. You can use either an 834 EMA crossover if you want for the entry, or a faster one will come in with the 513 EMA crossover. So in this case, to show you where we would have had the trigger entry, okay, here's where we tested the support and it held. And then you want to see it take out a prior swing high, and also you want to see the moving average crossover. Once both of those things occur, then you can take the buy entry, place a stop underneath that last low. Okay, so in this case, it crossed before it took out a prior swing high, so the actual trigger was when we cleared 558.79, and that was your buy entry. And then again, underneath here would have been the initial stop, and so far so good. All you need to do on the way up is trail up stops, especially as you get up into extensions of prior swings, because we did already meet the 1272 extension. The next extension target's 584.54, and then just keep on trailing up stops until the market kicks you out.